Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
BA open paren OH close paren subscript 2 solid is in equilibrium with BA2 plus aqueous plus 2OH S and OH minus equals 2S, so KSP equals 4S cubed. Using S equals 0.108 molar gives KSP approximately 4 times 0.108 cubed, approximately 5. OH minus makes Q equals open bracket BA2 plus close bracket, open bracket OH minus close bracket squared less than KSP. So equilibrium shifts right and BA subscript 2, open paren, OH, close paren, solid, solid, is in equilibrium with BA2 plus aqueous plus 2OH2 plus aqueous. Great job working through that. Remember to check each step and watch for sign errors. Practice more with Sovi to master this topic.